Hi, this is Meghashyam, and we will be talking about franchisee management portal or franchisee management system of BSNL, which is basically used as an interactive system or a portal for franchisees to interact with this like information present in CDR clarity systems of BSNL. So this day we will be talking about the accounts module. So the account module basically consists of customer accounts, customer profile, payment status, invoice reports, maintenance code tagging, etc. So customer accounts, when we click on customer accounts, like this module just basically displays the list of accounts that are being maintained by the particular customer based on the service type. In this particular case, it is broadband over Wi-Fi with the total number of customers of 70 customers. So, like you can see that we have a list of customers that are there along with the information that is present. The franchisee can particularly search for any particular type of number from this information, and it is available. Or the other way around is to look at the customer profile information, that is one particular individual customer information which can be searched by a phone number or a broadband ID. So in case of a phone number, for example, let us say 020, just typing it 020 243 62514. Click on fetch and you get the information pretty much, like what is the status, current status, which exchange, which circle, which SSA it is working, customer details, address details, registered mobile numbers, which exchange it is, type of modem he is being using, what is the plan that is being there, what is his user ID, etc. So this can also be searched with the broadband ID. Just clicking on click should work. So like you should be getting the information. See, we can also view the payments that have been done by the franchisee when a customer, and also the duplicate bill. You can download the duplicate bill of a customer if you by clicking on the duplicate bill button. Similarly, we can also have the information of the payment status of various customers of various of his customers that has been that have made payments. So this basically shows how many people have done the payments. So this is last 30 days. So if I'm just search for last 30 days and click on fetch status, so this moreover gives how many people have done the payments, etc. And then invoice report is a bill report that basically tells us how many bills have been generated. So like I can select the period from which I want to take the bill and click on show invoices. So I should be able to pull up all the invoices of the customers which have been 70 customers pretty much through this module. It usually takes time to get the fetch the data, but through this module you can see the phone number, exchange code, customer details, mobile, email, billing account number, what is the invoice number or bill number, when was the bill raised, what was the last date to be pay the bill, and invoice number, and how much amount is due. So this what's the problem? Just a minute. No invoices for the present customer. We'll just try with some other solution. Now we will just first search for November month. Let us see how much of data I can pull up. This is where particularly franchisee can like identify how much of bills have been generated, like who is the, like we can identify like who is a like high bill generator or high value customer, and how, he should like how we can ensure that the customer is being happy about the service that is being provided, and at the same time how many people are paying the bills and how many are not paying the bill. This is not coming, but like it should be coming. So this is pretty much about accounts menu.